AGI is a really important concept that I want you to keep in your brain for right now, but also a few slides from now when we start talking about modified adjusted gross income or MAGI, because MAGI becomes important in determining maybe credit and deduction eligibility. So, above the line deductions, examples of those common ones, if someone is able to deduct IRA contributions, HSA contributions, if they're making any sort of contributions outside of maybe what's taken from their wages on a pre-tax basis, they're making their own separate contributions, that they have deductibility opportunity there. And then when you're working with a self-employed taxpayer, a lot of times, of course, we'll have the deductible portion of self-employment tax. That's half of it. Half of what they owe for self-employment tax becomes deductible. It's an above the line deduction. And then if there's any sort of like self-employed health insurance premiums that they're paying, that's an above the line deduction. Also, if they're making any sort of contributions to like a SEP IRA, a solo 401k, some sort of work retirement account associated with the business that they own, those are above the line deductions. And that equates to our AGI, as mentioned, AGI being the line. And then directly below that, we see our standard itemized deductions and qualified business income deduction, or QBI deduction. That is what I meant by below the line deductions. So, of course, standard and itemized deductions being the most popular and commonly known deduction, even I think with clients and planners alike, because folks are either taking the standard deduction or they're itemizing, right? So traditionally, clients know that. And then qualified business income deduction, that one, maybe not all clients know that just because if they're not self employed, it wouldn't apply. So if someone does have their own business, they are in a profitable business at that, they may qualify for this QBI income deduction opportunity. And that's actually below the a below the line deduction. It comes after AGI. So those below the line deductions equate to your taxable income.